For decades, the B2B buyer's journey was a predictable path of searches, clicks, and demos. But that entire path is being rewritten, not by marketers, but by AI. And the change is happening now. A staggering 73% of B2B buyers are already actively using AI tools like ChatGPT for purchase research. This means up to 83% of their decision-making process is happening before they ever contact your team. We'll show you how this new AI-driven journey works, why old SEO rules are failing, and exactly how to win. The numbers show this isn't a future trend. It has massive financial implications today. Traffic from AI search converts at 14.2%. Compare that to traditional organic search, which converts at just 2.8%. That is a 5.1 times higher conversion rate. It's not just conversion, it's speed. AI compresses the entire mid-funnel. Weeks of research can now be done in minutes. This speed is a double-edged sword. It makes buying easier, but it also makes switching vendors completely frictionless. With AI instantly surfacing alternatives, vendor loyalty is shattering. 58% of B2B buyers have switched vendors in a 6-month window. Buyers now form complete vendor shortlists from AI answers. If you're not cited, you don't lose a click. You lose the entire deal. This brings us to the most important question. How does an AI actually decide which brand to trust and cite? The answer is a fundamental shift from SEO, search engine optimization, to AEO, answer engine optimization. AIs don't read like humans. They scan for structure. They hunt for question-based headers followed by direct, self-contained answers. Beyond structure, AIs require proof. They prioritize true topical authority, like first-party data and specific client results. Critically, this discovery process has moved off the Google search bar. It now happens inside ChatGPT, Perplexity, and AI overviews. So the mechanism is clear. Be the most credible, well-structured answer. But what does this look like in the real world? An operations head doesn't search best logistics software. She opens her company's Microsoft Copilot and types a detailed prompt. In seconds, Copilot generates a comparison table, pulling data from sources it deems authoritative. She has her shortlist, and she trusts this output. Our data shows 90% of B2B buyers trust the recommendations AI tools provide for their research. This can be an opening for new companies. AI surfaces vendors based on merit and authority, not just domain age and backlinks. This new process is powerful, but implementing an AI-centric strategy is filled with pitfalls. Let's cover the 2 biggest mistakes. Mistake 1, garbage in, garbage out. Your AI tools are only as good as the data they learn from. Inaccurate CRM data poisons the well. Mistake 2, forgetting the human. Over-automation is a trap. Buyers sense robotic, impersonal interactions from a mile away. The goal isn't to automate everything, it's to automate the right things, so your team can focus on high-value interactions. So we've seen the scale of the change, the new mechanics, and the pitfalls. How do we pull this together into a winning strategy? The new primary goal for B2B marketing is no longer about winning clicks. It's about winning the AI's citation. Earlier, we asked how an AI decides who to cite. We now know it synthesizes sources with the clearest structure and strongest proof. Remember that 5.1 higher conversion rate? It's because a buyer from an AI click has been pre-sold by a trusted third party. And that 58% churn rate, it's the other side of the same coin. The same AI can recommend your competitor to an existing customer. The entire B2B field has changed. Your buyer is now an AI-assisted buyer. Here are 3 things you must do starting today. First, audit your content. Stop writing for keywords and start structuring for answers. Turn your assets into a database of proof. Second, invest in real authority. Publish original research and showcase verifiable customer results. Create the proof AI is starved for. The very nature of visibility has been redefined. You can either become the definitive source the AI cites, or you can become invisible. The new buyer journey starts with a question to an AI. Make certain your company provides the answer.